Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to start shared links on WhatsApp Web on your PC using the brand new update. If you're someone who often shares important websites, videos, or articles in your chats, this new feature will help you organize and find them in seconds. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by going to the official WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see your usual list of chats on the left-hand side. Next, look at the left side menu where you'll find a small media icon. Click on it. This is where WhatsApp now organizes all your shared content into categories: photos, videos, documents, and of course, links. Click on the Links tab. Here you'll see a list of all the websites, videos, and any other links that have been shared in your chats. It's a quick and convenient way to find what you're looking for without scrolling endlessly through messages. Now, to star specific links, move to the top of the window and click on the select icon. This will let you pick the items you want to save. Go ahead and select one or multiple links that matter most to you, maybe a recipe, an article, or a tutorial you plan to revisit. Once you've selected your links, click on the star icon at the top. And that's it. Those links are now starred. You can access them easily later under your starred section, just like messages or media you've saved in chats. This simple update makes managing shared links effortless, helping you stay organized whether you're working, studying, or just catching up with friends. So, now you know how to start shared links on WhatsApp Web with this latest 2026 update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might want to keep their favorite links just a click away.